In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up ClickFunnels WAP. We're going to connect ClickFunnels to WAP using Zapier so that when someone buys or gains access in ClickFunnels, they're granted the right membership or plan in WAP automatically. Start by opening a new browser window and searching for Zapier. In the results, click the official Zapier link to head to the home page. Sign in to your Zapier account so you can build the automation. Once you're in, look for the Create button and choose Zaps. A Zap is simply an automated workflow that connects two apps together. In the Trigger section, search for and select the ClickFunnels app. This is the app that will start the automation. Next, choose the trigger event that best matches the moment you want the automation to run, such as one-time order paid or membership went valid. This selection tells Zapier exactly when to fire. One-time order paid is great for purchases. Membership went valid works well if you're basing access on a membership status change. Now, connect your ClickFunnels account to Zapier. You'll be prompted to authorize access so Zapier can read the necessary data. After connecting, select the specific funnel or product that should initiate the automation. This helps ensure only relevant purchases or memberships kick off the workflow. For the Action app, search for and select WAP. This is where we'll send the data so WAP can handle access. Choose an action event that aligns with your goal, such as create a plan or retrieve a membership. If your objective is to grant access after a purchase, choose an action that manages membership access. This could involve enrolling a user or applying the correct tag, depending on how your WAP setup is structured. Connect your WAP account when prompted, then map the data fields from ClickFunnels to WAP. Be precise here. Map the customer's email, the product or plan identifier, and any other required fields. Use Zapier's Field Picker to pull values from the ClickFunnels trigger so everything stays dynamic and accurate. Follow Zapier's prompts to run a test. Use sample data from ClickFunnels and confirm that the information appears correctly in WAP. If something doesn't look right, check your field mappings and make sure you've selected the correct plan or membership in WAP. Once everything tests successfully, turn on your Zap to activate the automation. Give it a clear name so you can recognize it later, and keep an eye on the first few runs to ensure real data flows just like your test. And that's it. Your ClickFunnels to WAP automation is live.